Hello, beautiful people! Welcome to Love for Beauty. What do I have to show you today? I got the pink box! It's the new Influencer Box. I'd like to know what's inside, don't you? It says developed by women for women with a cause. Let's see what's inside this baby. I'm excited. Excited! My favorite word. Okay, it's hard to open. It's a fight. It's a fight. But I'm going to win it. I won! Simply Collagen Beauty? I am super excited. Wow, I do need another word. Thrilled. I think it's a okay word. So stop watching me. He's watching me and he makes me look that way. And he distracts me and I forget what I'm about to say. Alright, so we get collagen type 1 and 3 with 10 grams of collagen and 9 grams of protein per packet. These are packets, guys, that you make in drinks, like you pour in water or shakes. I am thrilled to try these. It sounds so good. What is the flavor? It does not say. It says Pink Empower. No artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Grass-fed peptides. Dairy-free, non-GMO. We don't know the flavor, but I will let you know when I try it. Maybe it might not have a flavor, so you can just mix it with whatever you want, because it says you can put it in your smoothie. So I am super happy about this. Thank you, Influencer, for all these awesome boxes that I get. Ooh, there's more. We got calm caps. I guess I do need to calm down. And I can't post that because it's a song. Okay. This, I don't know. I don't know what it is. These are sleeping pills, you guys. But yeah, I think, let me see. Oh, there's the description. A calming blend of a bunch of words that I cannot pronounce. I think I need help. Jason, how do you pronounce this? How do you pronounce those words?
The calming blend of L-theanine.
L-theanine.
Chamomile.
I know chamomile.
Ashwagandha.
Ashwagandha.
Passion flower.
Ah! Ashwagandha. Wow. What was that first one? Oh my god. I see. That's what you get when you get surprises. Things that you cannot pronounce. What was the first word? L-theanine. Yes. I learned. L-theanine. Theanine.
L-theanine.
Theanine.
Chamomile. Ashwagandha. And passion flower.
There's passion in this box. Do you see this? But okay, so that's not a word. Okay, now I'm having fun. Okay, this is really fun. I'm super happy, and I didn't say excited. I said happy. Yay! So these calm pills are supposed to tame your anger. I know someone who should take one.
I don't know what you're talking about!
It is a calming blend of L-theanine, chamomile, ashwagandha, and passion flower. That's really cool. I don't know if I'll be taking those, but I will definitely try them because I need to post a review which will follow. I will come back after I try all these things. And oh my goodness, this is really cool. The third thing in the box is biotin gummies. Woohoo! I love biotin gummies. Biotin is great for you. I'll definitely be taking these. They're fun. They have natural fruit flavor, which is really cool. So I will try all these things out, taste them, and I will come back and tell you what happened. While you wait for me here, you can go subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is up. Like this video, of course, drop me a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram and like my page on Facebook. I will be back in a few minutes. Right now, me and besties are gonna go have a moment. Let the testing begin. First, I'm going to try. I'm gonna take a chill pill, okay? Doing it. Let's see if I sleep better. I have to tell you, I don't sleep very well in general. I'm such a light sleeper. I wake up all the time. Wow, there's another fight here. It's not, my nail is bending, guys, but this is not breaking. Manpower. Obviously, I need to chill. So, I guess, how many? 2 veggie capsules. I'll take 2.
Let's take 4.
No, I might not wake up in the morning. All of a sudden, I'm very chill. I'm gonna go to sleep right now, and I will see you tomorrow, and I'll let you know how it went. I am back, and I am about to blend the Collagen Beauty into my favorite drink, which is a matcha green tea with coconut milk and some ice. Here we go. All right. These are 20 individual packets. Grab one of these. Something magical in the air that collagen makes. Here we are. I am about to blend this amazing drink that gives you youth. One of the amazing things about collagen, makes your skin younger, longer, anti-aging. See what happened. Really smooth. Really smooth. I like the consistency. I definitely cannot taste the flavor of the collagen, and I really like that. It is great. I would definitely be putting this in my drinks. It makes me really happy. Next, after preparing this delicious drink, I'm going to taste these biotin gummies. They're my absolute favorite, and they're really good for my hair, so I recommend you get those babies. Another challenge. I'm going to perform a surgery. Scissors. Ah! Oh, it smells amazing. I bet you they will be delicious. They look cute. Ah! Don't need 3. The serving size is 2 gummies. So I'm gonna leave this out. I'm gonna take these 2. Oh, they're citrusy. They taste really fresh, like orange. I can't tell there are different colors inside because I could tell. Okay, that was a whole lot of chewing, you guys. So I'm going to take a sip from my freshly made drink with the collagen beauty packet inside. Yes. Next, I'm going to share with you my experience with the calm caps. They have L-theanine. L-theanine. We found out that's the way you pronounce this word. I actually really like them. I took 2 before sleep last night. I rarely sleep well, but these really calm me down, and I slept throughout the whole night. I really like them. I think I will be taking them. You can find all these products at pinkproducts.com, and you can get your own influencer box if you become an influencer yourself, which you can do by downloading the app and signing up. This is it for today. I showed you the new Influencer Pink box. I showed you all the products that are inside. It's the Collagen Beauty, the Biotin Gummies, and the Calm Caps. I had a lot of fun with you guys today. I hope you liked this review. Come back next Thursday. We will have another makeup photo shoot. You have to be here on Thursday at 3 p.m. Until then, I'm sending you kisses and much love from my set to your home.